Okay, so today we've got a really interesting challenge. We're doing a deep dive into an online brand that seems to have just exploded out of nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's getting a ton of attention, mostly because the prices look, well, honestly, too good to be true. We're talking about Luviera Home.
That's right. And our mission here is to take all the sources you provided, the public data, the site analysis, all that fine print, and figure this out.
Is it a legit business?
Exactly. Or is it just another one of those temporary storefronts designed to, cash in during the holiday rush and then vanish? We need to find those key warning signs for you.
Well, I have to say, first impressions, the site looks great.
It does.
It's professional, it's clean, it looks like a major retailer. You see all the decor, the cushions, the lamps, and this huge Black Week sale banner everywhere.
And the prices are ridiculously low.
They really are.
Yeah.
And it has the standard pages you'd look for, like a privacy policy and shipping info. It all looks, legit.
It's the perfect facade, right? But that's where you have to pause. When something looks that good and the prices are that low, well, let's dive in.
Okay, where do we start?
The single biggest red flag. It's the domain age.
Ah,
According to the public records we pulled, LuvieraHome.com was only registered on November 9th, 2025.
wow, so just a few weeks ago.
Think about that. They registered the domain and almost immediately launched this massive, deep discount sale. If a company is offering 70 or 80% off within 3 weeks of even existing, your internal alarm system should be screaming.
Yeah, that's really sketchy. And that leads to the next weird thing we found, right? This strange online silence.
Exactly. A ghost town.
For a store that's supposedly selling so much, we couldn't find a single real independent customer review. Nothing on Trustpilot, no real social media presence. Doesn't exist outside its own website.
And that lack of verification bleeds into their contact info. They claim they have outstanding service, but the only way to reach them is a single email address. It's supportyrome.com.
Wait, Sporty Rome.
Yes. SUPPORTIERME. It's a tiny, sloppy error, but it completely undermines that polished image they're trying to sell. There's no phone number, no physical address, nothing.
That is a fantastic detail. That little mistake that just breaks the whole illusion. Okay, so let's talk about their return policy, because on the surface, it looks okay. They offer a 30-day window.
It's a very flimsy safety net. The fine print is, it's designed to make returns pretty much impossible.
How so?
They say items have to be returned in perfect, untouched condition and in the original undamaged packaging. And then comes the real kicker.
What's that?
All sale items and gift cards are explicitly non-refundable.
So wait, everything you buy during their Black Week sale?
Is a sale item, so it's non-refundable. You buy something, it arrives broken, or it's not what you wanted. Too bad. The whole structure is built to reassure you before you buy and then block you if there's a problem.
Right.
So when you put it all together, the picture is pretty clear. The high-polished website is just wrapping paper. You combine that brand new domain, zero independent proof, basically no way to contact them, and a return policy that's a trap. It all points to a temporary high-risk storefront.
So what's the key takeaway here for you? It's not just be careful with discounts. It's about recognizing this specific pattern of risk.
Right.
The absence of a verifiable history, the age, the reviews, the solid contact info, that combination is the real warning.
And that leads to a final thought for you to take away. We've talked about verifying a domain's age, which is a great first step. But what other two pieces of verifiable, independent evidence must an online store provide before you feel comfortable giving them your payment information?
What do they have to prove to you?
That's the real test of what we've unpacked today.